You want to be an online millionaire? Great! The dream of making it big online is more achievable now than ever before. The internet has changed the game. Forget the old rules. The digital revolution has opened up a world of opportunities that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. You don't need a fancy degree or a rich uncle. Traditional paths to success are no longer the only options. You just need hustle, smarts, and this guide. With the right mindset and tools, you can carve out your own path to success. We're living in an online gold rush. The digital landscape is ripe with opportunities for those willing to seize them. Every day, people are striking it rich online. From small startups to individual entrepreneurs, success stories are everywhere. E-commerce, online courses, social media marketing, the opportunities are endless. The internet is a vast marketplace waiting for your unique ideas. But just like any gold rush, it takes hard work and dedication. Success doesn't come overnight. It requires persistence and effort. But here's the good news. It's never been easier to get started. With countless resources and tools available, you can launch your online venture with minimal investment. With a little guidance and a lot of hustle, you can achieve your online millionaire dreams. Let's get after it. The journey to online success starts now. First things first, what does it even mean to be an online millionaire? Simple, it means making $1 million or more through online businesses. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building real, sustainable businesses that generate real income. Think e-commerce stores, online courses, digital marketing agencies, software as a service, SaaS products, and more. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. The first step to online success is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? The key is to find the sweet spot where your passion meets market demand. Don't just chase trends, find something you genuinely enjoy and are good at. This is crucial because building a successful online business takes time and effort. Remember, your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. Steve Jobs. So find your passion and turn it into profit. Section 4. Step 2. Build your platform. Show up every day. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to build your platform. This is where you lay the foundation for your online presence. This could be a website, a blog, a social media presence, or even a combination of all three. Each platform has its own strengths and can help you reach different segments of your audience. The key is to create valuable content that attracts your target audience. Think about what they need, what they are searching for, and how you can provide it. Provide them with valuable information, entertain them, or solve their problems. Your content should be engaging and relevant. Content is king, as they say. High-quality content not only attracts but also retains your audience. Consistently create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This means regular updates and fresh material. This builds trust and establishes you as an authority in your niche. Remember, consistency is key. The more you show up, the more your audience will come to rely on you. Show up every day, even when you don't feel like it. This dedication will set you apart from others and help you build a loyal following. Your commitment to showing up daily will pay off in the long run, helping you to grow and sustain your platform. Section 5, Step 3, the hustle, outwork, outsmart, outlast. Now comes the hard part, the hustle. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and a lot of hard work. You need to outwork, outsmart, and outlast your competition. Be relentless in your pursuit of success. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and adapt to the ever-changing online landscape. Remember, the only way to fail is to give up. Section 6. Step 4. Monetize your passion, turning views into dollars. Once you've built a solid platform and a loyal audience, it's time to monetize your passion. This is where your hard work starts to pay off, and you can turn your views into dollars. There are countless ways to generate income online, but here are a few popular methods that have proven successful for many creators and entrepreneurs. E-commerce. Sell physical or digital products directly to your audience. This could be anything from handmade crafts to digital downloads like ebooks or printables. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission on sales. This works well if you have a blog or a YouTube channel where you can review and recommend products. Online courses and workshops. Share your knowledge and expertise with others through paid courses. This is a great way to leverage your skills and help others learn something new. Membership sites. Create exclusive content and community features for paying members. This can provide a steady stream of income and build a closer relationship with your audience. The key is to choose monetization methods that align with your niche, audience, and business model. It's important to understand what your audience values and is willing to pay for. Remember, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Passion is the driving force behind success. So find your passion and turn it into profit. With dedication and the right strategies, you can transform your hobby into a thriving business.